Hi all, today I am going to show you a DIY aloe vera hair mask. For that you need a freshly cut aloe vera leaf, a medium size egg and few tablespoons of methi or fenugreek powder. Now let us cut the aloe vera and take out the gel from it. Now let me tell you about the benefits of aloe vera for hair. Aloe vera nourishes the follicles of hair, hence promoting hair growth. It's good for treating dandruff, prevent hair fall, best conditioner for dry, damaged and frizzy hair, relieves from itchy scalp. Now slowly peel off the green part of the leaf. All we need is the jelly substance that's there in the leaf. Finally, I have taken out all the gel out of the leaf. This is how it's going to look. Now to this gel, I am going to add fenugreek or methi powder. Fenugreek powder controls hair loss, triggers hair growth, helps in hair regrowth. It nourishes hair and scalp and adds shine to the hair. Now to this, I am going to add egg. Eggs are abundant source of protein and nutrients that serves as hair food and promotes hair growth. Egg improves hair elasticity, controls breakage, adds shine and heal damaged hair. Here I am going to add only egg white. Now transfer everything into a blender. We cannot mix it by hand, so it's better to blend it in a blender. By blending it, it will form into a smooth paste so that it's easy to apply onto your hair. After blending everything, this is how the paste is going to look. Now to this I am going to add curd. Curd is very good for our hair. It hydrates your scalp, fixes frizzy hair, makes your hair strong, improves the shine, eliminates dandruff. Now mix everything well. Make it into a smooth paste. With the help of a hairbrush, you can apply this pack onto your roots first and then to the length of your hair. This pack controls dandruff and it's the best conditioner for dry and damaged hair and helps in hair growth. Comb your hair neatly without any tangles. And then start applying the pack. After applying it to the roots, apply it to the length of your hair like this. Try to cover all the length of your hair with the pack. After applying it to the roots, apply it to the length of your hair. Try to cover all the length of your hair with the pack. Leave this pack for 1 hour and wash it off with warm water and a mild shampoo. You can see the difference after just one application of this pack.